The sun is killing you with kindness. Not only that it's providing you with this beautiful sunshine, but it's also providing you with the most important vitamin, vitamin D3. If you're struggling with mental health issues such as depression and anxiety, the sun is #1 cure for you. Studies show that a lot of the people that are depressed suffer from a vitamin D3 deficiency, and it's extremely easy to cure. Just sit under the sun for 20 minutes every day, 40 minutes preferably. Not only that, but vitamin D3 plays a significant role in improving your physical health as well. Make sure to take enough sunlight every day. Make sure to take vitamin D3 supplements if you live up north, and stay amazingly healthy.